It is Wednesday, the day before Turkey Day, and we just left the house. We're not far from the house. We'll see what the day brings. Yesterday, we didn't have much excitement here at the office, so I didn't even turn the camera on. But today, I'm supposed to get my new service truck, so I will bring y'all in on that. And you see what we're working with. 178,000 miles on this jewel here. And when I get my new one, I'll kind of do a video of it, let y'all see what it looks like and all the stuff it's got on it. So look forward to that. And it's about 5:45 right now in the morning. So I'm gonna shut y'all off and drive so I don't run into nobody. And when I get that truck, I'll do a quick video of it. Well, I wanted to show everybody my truck before it got dark. This is my new work truck. It's an air compressor, generator, welder, charger, booster. Oh, it'll jump you off. It'll charge your battery. We got two reservoirs here, one for hydraulic oil and one for just regular engine oil. And also we have this attachment here that goes on top of a grease bucket. And this is our grease gun. And these are our oil and hydraulic fluid guns. It's a 2015 Chevy 3500 diesel. It had 119 miles on it whenever I got it. It's got about 300 on it now. Let's get a view on it. Man, it's nice. I mean, nice. Well, you know, it's brand new. So, brand new vehicle is always nice. It's got these spotlights on the back. It's got this liner all over it, which is going to hold up pretty good with that liner on there, no doubt. So thank y'all for watching. Just wanted to show y'all my new work truck.